should do the mystery pool slab. Hey, I was hoping you weren't gonna pick that one. I was gonna go behind you and buy it then. Hey everyone, I'm actually at the Webster Flea Market here with ADH Dave and also the Philly Flipper. If you guys aren't familiar with their channels, I'll put a link down in the description down below. Check them out. They're both great pickers that put up some great content. Make sure you guys stay to the end because we actually buy some mystery Pokemon bags and you guys will not believe what happens. So stay tuned. You have to check the
tag on it.
Can't tell. Toy Factory?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'll do $5. Those are cool. Yeah, I wonder if they have anything else.
Yeah.
What's this? Sending it a candy. That's supposed to be. Is just the keyboard, or did they sell the monitor separate on those?
I think it's just it's a Radio Shack. I think it's just a keyboard only. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, good question. Is it underneath?
No. Is that you as well?
Radio Shack,
No.
TRS-80.
Yeah, he went to you went to shop?
Oh, he's a vendor.
Yeah, I think he's coming over there.
I like these circus mags.
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not here.
I think he's coming right now.
Like upstairs. Okay. That's you? Who's first? We go by shortest to tallest.
Okay.
So he's first.
I know you can go first.
What can I help you for? Help you with?
Well, I was just gonna ask what your computer is. How much your computer
45.
is. Does it work?
I have not a clue.
Not a clue. Yeah. Okay.
Do you have any more Nintendo stuff?
That's it.
How much you asking for the controllers?
I do 10. Well, there's a couple of everything. And then the Switch part too, but 10.
Do they work?
Please. I have no clue. I'm sorry.
Gotcha.
What about the hubcaps?
The hubcaps I would do anywhere from usually like 7. I know there's one that I have, a little more the Chevy one, probably 15.
Okay.
Because it's one that they had put, I've seen them on like a 73 Chevy Camaro.
Uh-huh. The other one, these are like 7-ish?
Yeah.
Do you change for 50?
I certainly do.
I'll take the controller.
And it's real.
Just printed this morning, so see if it passed the
I
test.
don't like that. There's no light out here.
You made good money.
Yeah. Still wet. It's still wet.
Yeah, well, that's because just how much water's out here.
Paul, you know what that love sign is?
35.
Would be.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
I
Yeah,
know
man.
from games.
You got games?
Oh yeah, I forgot the 10.
This one's 10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That thinged up one, I'll do 5.
Buy some Nintendo.
It's my jam. I collect the NES stuff.
Yeah, that's censored.
It's National Geographic. It's allowed.
Yeah?
I think this boss. I don't know why I put it over here.
Oh, I think it's a good spot for it. Oh, there you go.
We have
That's
this
the-
baby, PlayStation.
The PlayStation, yeah.
All one. No Gameboy. We have.
Oh, N64.
Yep.
Game Boy games.
Yeah.
We have some 64.
Got GTA in the box.
Yeah, they have it.
What are you asking for the N64?
Check what you see over here and maybe we can do a deal, okay?
Okay. You don't have the controllers or the cords or anything to that?
Whatever is over here.
Yeah. It's not in there. What are you asking for the system and the games?
How about 60 for that?
You said 60?
60? Doesn't have the controllers or the cords.
Yeah, but it's an old one and you don't find this.
When you're buying N64s, make sure to always open up the front compartment to see if there's a red expansion pack. If there is, you can actually sell these separate for between 40 and 50 bucks and then get a replacement pack to put in there for $7.
I have it complete, you know?
Yeah, 60's a lot if you don't know if it works. So.
Yeah. And it doesn't have the
Usually-
controllers.
Yeah.
I'll give you 40 for it all.
And then this hammer.
No.
I don't know if there's anything worthwhile in there.
Yeah.
No, just Star Wars.
Open.
Give me 25 for this.
For what? The games?
Yeah.
I wouldn't pay 25 for those.
Oops.
Yeah, I would do like 40 for all of it, but I wouldn't do 25 for just for the games and stuff. But
Give me 50 for the
would you do 50 for the games in the system?
No, give me 60 for everything.
60 for everything.
60.
It's
You see, you give me a lazy 10, I give you a beautiful 5.
a lazy 10, yeah. I gave him a lazy 10.
You want to do 50 for it?
Give me 55.
55? All right. All right. Appreciate you working with me.
That's a score bunny right there.
Score bunny.
You.
Will my daughter steal it? She's like hardcore Pokemon now.
I saw this Patriots vintage Proline jacket. It really caught my eye here. But after a closer look at it, it was filled with stains. It was in pretty rough shape, so I decided to pass. Yeah.
See that Patriots jacket?
Yeah, it's trash though, man. How much you get on the jacket? How much you have on the jacket?
5.
5? Alright, so this is super cool. Barrington, Florida. Old vintage Westcart tab for $5. Yeah.
That's my mom's stuff. She was the biggest Clay Aiken and Pat Metheny fan you'd ever want to meet. That's quite the combination.
Here, I got 5 for this.
All right, 5 for that.
I figured you might need the change, so.
Yeah, I think so, because I think I got another 5 right here.
What type of clothes?
Well, he just bought my mom's Clay Aiken thing. And you know, I got.
Oh, you got concert tees?
Yeah, they're all Clay
the Pat Metheny CD teachers got away.
Yeah.
My sister donated them to some lady.
Ah.
But I got all the CDs, all my mom's Pat Metheny
really?
CDs.
You said, so you got, what's the other shirts you have back there, you said?
No, this is the only one that's concert.
Okay.
Over here it's just general clothes, I think.
The Clay.
Clay Aiken. Clay Aiken fan.
Are you a giant Clay Aiken fan?
I guess so.
Oh, there's a license plate right there. It's not even unwrapped, I think.
There's nothing.
Yes, there was 2 of them, so I'm not a Clay Aiken fan, but I.
Apparently he is.
Right here.
Oh, are you a Clay Aiken?
No.
Honk if you're a Clay Aiken.
So the other one I hung in my shop. It was my mom's.
You're definitely a Claymate now. I didn't know what Claymate was until today.
Name one song, Dave. Come on.
Wait, he did you raised me up. Didn't he do a version of You Raised Me Up?
Everybody did You Raised Me
Yeah.
Hey man, you forgot your license plate.
Sold separately.
I'm gonna throw it in with the shirts.
Oh, I'm a Clay. Wait, can I put it on,
There we go.
on my wagon? Get a little zip tie? I'm a Claymate. Thanks,
The
man.
jukebox tour. There's Dave in his tour bus, cruising down the road.
Can't really lose. Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah.
Oh, oops, dropped it. I wonder if they're homemade.
1994.
No, they're not homemade.
No.
Train Masters. Get them for indoor. And ask them. How much are your skulls? 5 each or 5 for all? 5 each.
Go buy them. Vintage Halloween stuff.
Get it?
They're 94.
That one's broken.
Yeah, I
Those
know.
3 are good.
About 15 for 4, guys.
15 for 4.
It's all you, man.
Wow, you found them.
I'll give them you.
You guys are skull guys?
It goes great with his Clay Aiken shirts.
Yeah, I bought a bunch of Clay Aiken shirts, so I'm trendy now.
Yeah, they all pop back together.
$10? Why not, right?
Yeah, $10. I can't say no.
It's worth the
50
risk.
a piece.
Oh, yeah, I did. I did. Trying to think what I seen. I wanted 5. Give me $2 for the dinosaur.
Did I get you right?
He's just getting warmed up. He can still tie stuff on top.
Dave, you want this dinosaur for $2?
Put all his money on the Clay Aiken shirt.
Hey, Dave,
Clay Aiken shirts are sweet. What?
you want that for $2?
Is it Jurassic Park?
It doesn't say.
JWJP?
Nope.
Probably has enough dinos. if I only get a Jurassic Park one.
Yeah. Oh, you want to take bets? How much longer is that table gonna last?
Still got a couple years left.
You think?
Oh my gosh, look at it.
I know.
It's so bendy.
Still got a couple years.
It's an old one?
Yeah.
So, how much is that?
How much is it?
The Little Mermaid? 30. 30 bucks? It's tempting.
How much is the Batman? The sheets?
15.
15. Should have a year on it. They usually have a year.
Yeah, it's like towards the bottom thing.
Here you go, grab it. Do you want that
Well, I
one?
was just saying
Oh.
there might be a year on it.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. This is cool. This is Batman. Batman and Robin.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I think it's a newer one.
Oh, they got a graded Charizard.
They do?
It's a
Yeah.
6.
What is it?
Oh, there's a couple of them.
The Evolutions?
You got a bunch of
Megazord Evolutions.
Radiant.
All the prices are on the back. All graded cards are 15% off, and add an extra 10% for military.
Okay.
Sir?
I did not serve.
Why not?
We've got more graded cards back here, more high end. You're more than welcome to come back here and look around if you'd like. We've got other products inside the trailer. You're more than welcome to walk around, look around. Spin the wheel, 10 bucks to spin.
Okay.
Whatever it
Spin the
lands
wheel,
on.
whatever it lands on is what you get.
I want to do it. I want to gamble. $10.
ETB, if you win, you get a Shining Fates ETB.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get an ETB.
Alright,
you ready? I want ETB. Come on, ETB.
What do we got? What are we gonna get? Come on. I always love watching the wheels.
Oh, come on, 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 come on.
I got a brilliant. That's
Got a brilliant star.
great.
It's all right.
What's that?
All right, stars pack.
It's not brilliant.
Do you want it from back here or do you want the bottom one?
What do I want? The bottom one.
Bottom one. Pull it
I
out.
lost $3.
All right. All right, I'm only down $3. If I play again, I could win though.
You
The
might.
next
Good.
spin would be the
You
winning
never
spin.
know.
You could pull a rainbow dart out of that, and it's going to be worth it.
Hey, should we open it?
Oh, absolutely. That's let it
Let's
ride.
open it right here. Okay,
Let's go.
we're gonna open it. All right, I got Baltoy,
Yeah, the first
Snore
one
Nut.
trash.
Nose Pass, DD. Oh, that one. I don't like that one anyways.
That one trash.
Kookaboo, Milkry.
Yeah, you got nothing.
I got nothing. I got trash. That's all right.
You gonna get a refund?
My daughter likes him now, so she'll be excited.
it's open.
Well, she did the mystery pool slab.
Wait, mystery pull. There's more gambling.
Yeah.
There is. Dude, I'm a gambling alcoholic.
$75 each.
And then we have a mystery pull
You gonna
box.
gamble for $75?
Why not?
There's a 300.
Bro, let it ride.
$350 Pikachu.
Hasn't been pulled yet.
No,
How-
it's not.
Has not.
That's why it's still.
Okay, okay.
They all
Have been pulled.
They all have to be.
Yeah.
Have to be opened here. They all have to be
20,
opened
40,
here.
60. I'm gonna need $5.
Oh, you gonna do it too?
$5 and change. $5 and change.
Which one's the rainbow?
Somewhere between
I
here
honest
and
to
there.
God have no idea.
Okay. This one?
I don't know.
Could be.
I don't know.
All you
Oh.
gotta do is
Stressed
pick
about it.
pick
Put it
one.
back.
Is that bad?
Oh, that's bad. I'm not gonna say nothing.
If you don't know the first one you touched, that's bad luck.
That's bad luck?
That is.
If you no,
Gosh.
$5.
$5. Thank you.
But you go second
I
one you
haven't
touched?
picked yet. I've touched them all. I'm gambling here.
I would think so.
He's a huge Pokemon fan. He loves Pokemon.
go with your gut, bro.
Come on.
See, I was hoping you weren't gonna pick that one. I was gonna go behind you and buy it then. If you,
What do we get?
I got this.
The shiny
Hey.
Genesect. Okay,
Okay.
that's not bad.
Mister,
That's
I
not
don't
bad.
do PSA.
It's a
I
shiny.
said I don't do PSA. PSA, you just took trash about PSA
It's a 9. That's pretty
for the
good.
last 20 minutes.
All right, I guess it's worth 75 because that's what I paid for it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
there's, oh man,
I don't do PSA, but I did forget that I had some in there.
Any of the shinings have some pretty decent value to them.
Yeah, they do.
Okay.
That one's Shining Legends, I think.
hold on a minute. Now, hold on. Let me.
Wait, you doing it?
I mean,
Okay.
my odds have just increased. My odds have just
Hey,
increased.
let's go.
It might just increase. So
Good, we got some gambling addicts here.
Oh, I'm a degenerate, so.
No.
It's not gonna shake my hand to, man.
Come on now.
You're not supposed to.
I feel that in my soul, my friend.
They'd be like, would you like this brand new car, the mystery box? I'd be like, well, I'll take the mystery box.
Mystery box.
Thanks, bro.
Oh, an apple, awesome.
Son of a, yeah, hell yeah. I think it's like a $40 one.
Okay, that's not that bad. I only lost 35 and had 35 worth of fun.
Let's see.
35, 40, yeah, 35. 40.
All right,
Let's see what he gets.
what are we going for?
Come on, Pikachu.
Yes! Gamble more! Chase that high! Wow.
Bingo.
Look at that.
Dang, dude.
That's incredible. Wow, you're amazing.
I can't tell you. See, you did that.
Wait, which one was it? Which one was it?
It was the second last one.
Okay. Well done.
350, right?
Flip of the day.
That's like 350, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You guys want to buy for $250? Thanks, guys. You guys have a good day, man.
Wow, look at you, bro.
Well, that worked out well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ripped probably 300 packs looking for that thing.
Really?
Did not find it.
Well, listen, if I only lost 30 bucks and
So, Dave, how do you feel knowing that I just won and you,
I think my daughter's gonna be excited. She's into Pokemon now, so this will make her day.
now we both win then.
Yeah.
And probably the coolest thing in the entire day was we walked up to this stand that had Pokemon. I pointed out to Dave that above there for $75, he could have got a mystery bag, the chance to win a Pikachu that was graded at 9.5 is a Rainbow Hollow. They said it was estimated value about 350 bucks. And there's only about 6 bags left. So I talked him into buying one, he bought one. He didn't win, got probably like a $30, $40 card. So then I picked one next just to try to see if I can win one since he reduced the odds, and I hit the grand prize. So I did win the Pokemon, the Pikachu. When I looked it up, it's going for about $250, not the $350 they said there, but I'm sure the market does change depending on how long they had it out there. This definitely made my day. Plus I got to top Dave, so that was the best part of the entire thing. Everyone, thanks again for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe. You guys get a notification every time we drop a new video. If you want to see me go to the flea market to get some more finds, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.